Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. This is a highly requested video by you lovelies, so without further ado, let's begin. First, we recommend doing this on clean, moisturized skin for best results. Along with a clean facial roller, we're going to begin from our forehead and work our way down with 2 swipes per section. We will begin from our forehead, from the center here, like this. And we're going to glide up, wiggle at the edge here. One more, like this. The left side or the right side. The other side here, like this. And we're going to go like this here. Wiggle at the edge on your temples. One more. The other side, like this, like this. And we're going to switch to the smaller roller here, and we're going to glide down like this. And right here, we're going to wiggle and come down here. One more, like this. Wiggle here, come down like this. And we're going to do our eye area here. Like this, you can close your eyes and it feels so amazing with the cooling texture of the roller. One more like this, wiggle at the edge here. The other side, like this, wiggle at the edge. One more, wiggle at the edge here. And we'll do our cheek area like this, wiggle at the edge. One more, the other side, like this. One more. And we're going to go from the center of our lips here, like this, and wiggle at the edge here. This. The other side. This. Like this. And the lower cheek here. This, wiggle at the edge, one more, wiggle at the edge here, the other side, like this. Now we're going to do a little bit of going back and forth here on our masseter muscles. We tend to carry a lot of tension and blockages here, so just helping to release that. The other side, this, going back and forth, releasing here. We're going to switch to the smaller end here. For under the chin, we're going to place it like this. And wiggle at the edge here. One more, like this. Wiggle at the edge. The other side, like this. And wiggle at the edge here. One more, like this. Wiggle at the edge. And we're going to switch back to the bigger one here. And drain it down and wiggle here. It feels amazing for these areas. One more, like this. The other side. Breathing here, coming back. One more. And we'll do the neck here, like this. 2, 1, 2, the other side, 1, 2, 1, 2, and coming all down for the lymphatic drainage here towards our heart. For your facial roller, you can wash it with warm water and soap for your next facial massage. I'm going to put it aside. We're going to gently tap our skin to improve circulation and lymphatic drainage. Gently tap our skin. Well, I hope you feel and look amazing from the inside out after treating yourself to this facial roller massage routine easily at home. Thank you for joining. Much love to you all. Bye bye.